If you're not taking your vehicle to Jenkins and Wynne for service, it's like taking your baby to a veterinarian. Consider these advantages. We are open on Saturday from 8 to 4. We have a courtesy shuttle. We service all makes and models and have factory certified technicians. We perform warranty work and use guaranteed manufacturer parts. We also have competitive pricing and a full service body shop. We offer express service for oil changes with no appointment necessary. I'm Casey at Jenkins and Wynne, and we welcome the opportunity to serve you.